What's up, Peak Timers? This is the Hot Wheels custom Lamborghini 10 pack, and this is the dream pack that they wish they would make and release. Let's go ahead and have a closer look at each one of the cars inside, and then I will tell you where they came from. Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. Lamborghini Gallardo Superleggera. Lamborghini Huracan Super Trofeo. Lamborghini Gallardo Policia. Lamborghini Aventador J. Lamborghini Aventador Mira Homage Edition. Lamborghini Murcielago SV. Lamborghini Reventon Roadster. Lamborghini Centenario Roadster.